5 tips to cultivate a more positive and meaningful life. Practice gratitude. Taking time to appreciate the good things in your life, big or small, can significantly boost your mood and overall well-being. You can start by keeping a gratitude journal, where you write down a few things you're grateful for each day. Challenge negative thoughts. Our brains are naturally wired to focus on the negative. However, it's important to challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with more positive and realistic ones. When you find yourself dwelling on negative thoughts, ask yourself if they are true, helpful, or productive. If not, try to reframe the situation in a more positive way. Focus on the present moment. Mindfulness is the practice of focusing your attention on the present moment, without judgment. This can help you to appreciate the good things in your life and reduce stress and anxiety. There are many different ways to practice mindfulness, such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few deep breaths throughout the day. Help others. Helping others is a great way to boost your mood and feel more connected to your community. There are many ways to help others, such as volunteering your time, donating to charity, or simply being kind to those around you. Take care of yourself. Making sure to take care of your physical and mental health is essential for maintaining a positive outlook on life. This includes eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and managing stress. By following these tips, you can start to cultivate a more positive and meaningful life. Remember, it takes time and effort to make lasting changes, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way.